Today we will learn the letter E.
Hello again, it's me, Dr. B. Thank you for joining me. The topic for today is the letter E. We will talk about recognizing the letter E, practice the sound, and identify items that begin with the letter E. So are you ready?
Yes!
Great, so let's begin. As I told you before, I'm having an alphabet party, and it's so important that I have items that begin with each letter of the alphabet. And for today, we're just going to focus on the letter E. So can you help me identify items that begin with the letter E?
Yes!
Great, thank you. But let's first start with recognizing the way the letter is written. This first letter, if you notice, the uppercase E or capital E is shaped and written different from the lowercase e. This E, the larger E, is called the capital E or uppercase E, and the smaller E is called the lowercase e. They're written different, but they make the same sound. Not only that, they have two sounds. But the only sound I want you to focus on today is the sound of E that says eh. Can you say that? Eh.
Yes!
That's what we're going to focus on, that one sound today. And it says eh. Try it. Good. Let's say it together. Eh. Let's say it again. Eh. Good. Now, let's talk about items that have the eh sound at the beginning. The first one I'm going to start with is a egg. Can you hear eh at the beginning of egg? Try it. Say egg. What do you hear? Do you hear eh at the beginning of egg? Eh.
For egg.
Yes!
Yes, you are correct. So we're going to put the egg in the E bag. Next we have roses.
Oh, wow!
Roses. What do you hear at the beginning of roses? Roses. Do we hear eh for the letter E?
Oh, no!
No, we don't hear the eh in roses. We hear something different. So we're not going to use this one. I have to put this one to the side, but they are pretty. Next we have a pair of earrings.
Yes!
Earrings. Do you hear eh in earrings? Do you hear the sound of eh in earrings? Plus I also have another pair. I have these pair of earrings on as well. Do you hear eh in earrings?
Yes!
You are right. I hear them also, and I'm going to place these earrings in the E bag. That concludes all of my items that I have that begin with the letter E. Thank you for your help. I'll see you next time.